Yep, so this is it. This is about the bed position. I've got here. So I'm in the middle bunk. It's quite tight and cozy. You can see I've got bugger room. It's about as high as it goes up there, so I can sort of lie. Sort of comes over here. Hat, bag, cards over here, iPod stuff. I've got this cool blanket, King Empire. This is how I'll go for sleeping. It's pretty good. I don't mind. What you do is better sleep. So you always like to swap sleep, this blanket and shit. It's all good. But yeah, just been talking to a few people. Met this bloke from Little Joe. Yeah, and then apart from that, it's been a pretty uneventful ride. Been selling some stuff as per usual, but nothing over the top, and you get music in the background. So that's some Chinese song. Maybe will come up in copyright claims, but probably not. But let's see how we go. Anyway, I might make another video in the morning or something, or I'm not sure. Depends on how I sleep here. But yeah, if you are watching it, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you guys later, hopefully in a more comfortable and crazy position. Goodbye.